The first question is coming from one Mr. Mohammed from Oman. How to select the capacity of a vacuum pump for a central plant? That's a very good question, because plants are large in size. Now, vacuum pump should have the capacity to evacuate the entire system, right? Now, we have a chart where we can show you, or we can tell you what exactly this is. Now, so we have this chart out here, data for selecting a vacuum pump. The data for selecting a vacuum pump is given below. Now, one column is plant capacity, and the second column is pump capacity in CFM. Plant capacity in TR and pump capacity CFM. Up to 10 TR, the pump should be minimum 1.5 cm, and it goes on increasing 10 to 15 TR 2 CFM, 15 to 30 TR 4 CFM, 30 to 45 cm as it goes along, right? And then above 130 TR, then the pump capacity should be 24 CFM. Let me minimize this. Let me share the screen. Before we come to the capacity of the vacuum pump, let me show you this animation. This is the black dot is the air in the system. It travels through entire system, right? And this is the components of air. This is how the air travels throughout the system. And this is about the moisture system. This is the, now take a look. This is a setup for the vacuum. The micron gauge, the readings are coming down, right? This is how the vacuum takes place. $700 and up to, we can take it down up to 500 microns. Right here, 513, 520, 510, and stop. This is the setup of the system. The vacuum pump, this is a manifold. This is, you have a ball valve, the micron gauge, and this is how it is connected to the system. So this is what I was talking about. Okay. Enter option. So this is the PR capacity, and this is the CFM capacity of the pump. That was the answer to the first question. Installation